Alright, if you are not familiar with the Glowforge, you really need to check this out. It is a laser etcher where you can cut pretty much anything you want. We've been testing it out on some wood, we've done glass, we've done all sorts of cool things with it, but today we're going to show you how we used this to etch some cool things on top of a MacBook. One of the first things you'll notice is your MacBook is too big for the crumb tray. So I had to do some math. I figured my MacBook was 0.72. This meant the highest I could make it is 1.073 and the lowest my laser could be is 0.798. So using those numbers, I decided that 0.81 would be the ideal height for my base. You can also plug in your material, and once you do this, if you use the numbers above, I found that my laser depth had to be 0.137. Once you get that number, you can enter that for your uncertified material. There was a great guide to do this online, so I will post that below. After you've entered your dimensions, lay your MacBook on top of your new base and then start your print. Honestly, when you hit the print button, you will probably freak out a little bit like I did, but the end results turn out great. You will also feel better once you turn your Mac back on as well. I wasn't exactly sure how the print was going to turn out, so I didn't go overboard with the first print. On the next day, I decided to add a little bit more. This was a lot easier. I already had the dimensions down, so I just simply laid my MacBook down and started a new print on top.